Okay guys, we're here in front of the Panasonic Arc 5. This is a premium performance shaver. It's going to come with a travel case as well as a little charging base that also cleans it. Pop-up trimmer, washable for easy maintenance, 1 hour charge, up to 50 minutes with no wires. 3-minute quick charge is 1 shave. Travel lock switch, travel case, and then some electrical things. It's a Li-ion battery. So it should last up to an hour. The features of this razor, fast and powerful, 5-blade shaving, flexible shaver head, sensor technology. I'm pretty curious about this. I used to use Philips, but the products just haven't really been holding up over time. After 1 or 2 years, you notice the plastic starting to break or whatever. I have a Philips toothbrush. I have multiple Philips razors. So what I read online, this is the best you can get for a man right now. We're gonna unbox this thing, take a look at it, and we're gonna see how the build quality is. Let's get this thing unboxed. By the way guys, if this is your first time here, remember to hit that subscribe button, followed by the notification bell. We'll open that up. We're greeted with a little piece of cardboard here, a little bit of nothing, okay? So now let's slide out the contents of what's in this. Oh, it all comes out in one nice box. That's awesome, I like that. Very nice packaging. So it says how to clean your shaver. It says quickly and easily. You just take a little liquid soap and water, switch the shaver on till the soap lathers nicely, and then rinse it off with water. Your skin and beard need about 30 days to adjust to any new shaver, and that's pretty normal. We've got a regular instruction manual. I don't know how long it's been since I've actually seen one of those. And we've got WES4L. This is special detergent. Okay, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work. The Panasonic one was a lot different. This is just a tiny package of detergent. I don't know how that's gonna be used. We've got the travel case right here, as well as some lubrication for the blades. Very nice that they include that. Little lubrication along with the cleaner. And we've got a charging cable. Obviously it's a different brand, but this is a totally different connection. Very nice, pretty premium quality it feels like. And we've got a little positive and negative wire right there, so that's pretty awesome. So this is going to be the charging station. We're going to open that up, okay? And we've got some sticky plastic paper. Now this is pretty sleek looking, I've got to say. I was expecting it to look a little different, but let's just open this up. Okay, so this is a very sleek charging case. We've actually got in the back here, we've got a little spot for fans, so that'll make sure this unit stays cool while it's charging. And it says do not wet, so it says status, low, clean, dry. Okay, so that's pretty awesome. Let's see what happens when we open it. There's a little just a little tab right there that should open it. Okay, I guess not. I don't know, maybe it has to be plugged in. I'll have to take a look at the instructions. Pleather or actually it feels like leather. It's a little shiny for my liking. I would have rather used something plastic, but it does have an outer bezel that will protect the razor. Well, let's open it up. Okay, and inside we have the razor. So let's open it up, take it out of the package here. Okay, and now you can feel that plastic. The head, oh my god, it moves a lot, guys. That is very, very nice. Look at that. The head moves all different directions. That's pretty amazing. And we've got free lock, so you can lock it. And then the pop-up shaver pops up just like that. So that's pretty cool. So this allows the razor to move around free, and then this locks it. And then this will open this up, so you can use that. This looks like where it's going to connect to the charger, right there and there. So you will put it in like this. I guess without this protector, which I do like that they include. Looking very nice, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blades and some protectors in between. Looks like a very nice razor. There's rubber grips on the back. I really like that, so it doesn't slip. And as of right now, it doesn't seem to have any power whatsoever. So what we're going to have to do is charge this bad boy. And we've got positive and negative. So there's really only one way that you can plug this in here. You got a positive and negative, and it looks like you plug it in right there, like so. Okay, so now, so we got status. Okay, so yeah, it does need the power to pop up. There's a little pad there. This slides in like so, and then it just closes. Okay, so you're gonna press this little button right here. And there is like a release, and that's pretty cool. So now let's try to plug this razor in without that. Okay, so now we've connected it for the first time, and there is a light. It says 20. I don't know if you guys can see that. It just says charging 20. Okay, so now I'm gonna look up how to put the cleaning solution in there, which should be fairly easy, I hope. So guys, this is everything that comes in the package. We've got the detergent, the oil, the case, a protective cover, as well as the razor and the base. So if this is not on a flat surface, it knows not to open up, so that's why I was having trouble opening it. So you're gonna fill it up right to this line right here with tap water and detergent. So this is the detergent, they only give you one. That's pretty sad, but hopefully they sell these cheaper. These are made in Japan, but this is only one application, so I don't know how long this will last. I actually don't even like using these cleaning things with the Philips products. It just felt a little greasy after, and I really didn't enjoy. Now it says, tips for a shaving. Apply the whole system outer foil perpendicular against the skin and shave by slowly gliding the shaver over the face against the grain of the beard. The beard under the chin and around the throat can be shaved better by stretching the skin so the beard will stand. There is a little button right here on the sides of the razor, and those will pop off. And as you can see, there's the blade system. And these two little things, these are actually the razors. And it looks like you would be replacing just this or this too. I'm not 100% sure about that. We'll have to look into that. So this is gonna go right back over here, like so. Perfect, it clicks right in. I really like the design of this razor, it is pretty nice. Towards the back, the rubberized feel, very nice. And that's about it, guys. I will show you what I think of this razor once I've had a chance to use it and learn a little more about it.
Okay guys, that is pretty much all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this razor, and I did have this video saved, so I figured I would upload it to YouTube after a little bit of editing. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and if this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell. I'll see you next time, guys. Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I'm out.